What's up, YouTubers? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic as always. And today we are talking about the secret to triplet fills. And to be totally honest, I think this is more than just the secret to triplet fills. This is almost like a secret to creativity on the instrument. And the concept is not new, and the concept is not mine, but it is a little bit of a mind-blowing concept because you go like, oh my God, it's all there for me. The whole world's a buffet. And the concept is very simple. It's just to take two little blocks of notes, whether they be groups of threes, groups of fours, groups of fives, whatever you're working on, and start to mix them up and see how they sound next to each other. So all the fills in the intro, one, that was always the exact same fill, just orchestrated a little bit differently, but it was only made up of two blocks of notes. So the first block was right, left, kick. So let's consider that to be our A block, and there is a dynamic shape to it. The right hand is accented, the left is ghost noted, the kick is nice and powerful. The second block of notes, which we'll call B, was kick right left, so kind of the opposite. And the dynamic shape to that is strong kick, ghosted right, pop the left. Now obviously that's not the secret, that's just the blocks of notes that we're going to use. It's how they get put together and how they sound back to back. That's the real secret. So if we put our A block next to our B block, it sounds like this. Well, that's worth working on. Now that by itself to me is a bit repetitive. That might be a good thing to do at the end of a song with like a ending. But if we want to make a fill out of it, we actually just want to be more creative with the placements. So let's try this. A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A. So that's 8 total blocks. 8 times 3 gives us 24. That's one bar of 16th note triplets. Come on now. 2, 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a. Now, it may be a tad boring at that speed, but we kick that up to 100 BPM after practicing it for a while and being very patient with ourselves, and we get... Instagram gold. All right, now let's try something different. Let's try to move those A's and B's around in a different way. What if we did them in like paradiddle form? So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. A, B, A, B, A, B, B, come on. That is so freaking hard to say while playing it, but I'll do anything for you guys. All right, let's hear that at 100 BPM as a fill. It's pretty cool, right? And Joanna, shiplap gain. Stay on one, baby. It's pretty cool, right? And then you're in full control of your creativity with these two little blocks of notes. Now, hopefully, it's starting to occur to you like, wait, could I do other blocks? Yeah, you can make up as many as you want. And then you start to build this vast vocabulary, whether it be in the world of triplets like this, or it could be in 16th notes or quintuplets or 32nd notes, doesn't matter. It's just grabbing these little blocks and saying, okay, I dig that block. It's got a little bit of dynamic shape to it, like I'm not playing these monotone. They each have their own little vibe to them. But I work really hard on the blocks themselves, and then I just start putting them together, and you can literally just write down A, B, A, B, 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 B. And you just come up with all these combinations of 8. Remember, 8 times 3 makes 24, one bar of 16th note triplets. Or if it was 32nd notes, you do 8 groups of 4, you get 32. And you can do this until you find like your personal things. Now, out of these little chunks and out of these blocks, I definitely have my own fills. You'll always hear me do this. That's literally built out of other blocks of notes that I went like, oh man, I really dig that, and I stuck them together until I found something that felt personal. And that's what I want for you. Yes, I want you to work on this lesson, of course, but I'm hoping that while working on this lesson, you discover something that's unique to you and you go, that's my jam. That makes me happy. I'm proud of it. Yes, it was influenced by all the great drummers before us. We get that. I didn't invent any of this stuff. But you're looking for the one that speaks to you and you go, yeah, that's my jam. That's my get out of jail free card. When things are going bad, I'm dropping the heat on that one. So YouTubers, I hope you had a blast. Please do me a massive favor and like the video. That helps this channel out more than you know. But until next time, go practice.